Hi guys, I'm Melissa from Nature's Garden. Today we're going to be making a cold process soap using one of our brand new fragrance oils, Ode de Rose Fragrance Oil. Let's whip it up! So first we're going to melt the cocoa butter soap base and add the Ode de Rose Fragrance Oil. Then we're going to add pink colorant to create a light pink rose. Stir it all together and then pour it right into the mold. Use alcohol to remove any air bubbles. Then repeat the process to create a darker pink rose. Once everything is stirred together and poured into your mold, you're going to let them set up and remove them from the mold. Once we have our soap batter created, we are going to separate out 90 grams. We'll color the 90 grams pink. We're just going to do a simple in the pot swirl, then pour the soap right into our loaf mold. Now we're going to add our rose florets to the top of the soap. After 24 to 48 hours, we're going to remove the soap from the mold. Once we cut it, we'll simply let it cure and it'll be ready to use. All right, there you have it. We have finished our Ode de Rose CP soap. Make sure you check out our website for even more fragrance fun ideas at www.naturesgardencandles.com. Make sure that you follow us, subscribe, like, and share the video. Until next time, we'll see you later.